EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh has traditionally been very airplane focused, but for 2026, there's something new. For people who come to Oshkosh every year thinking it's just airplanes, what is this space? And let's maybe walk around a little bit and show us what we got.
So this space is about innovation. It's about what's coming up new in this area. When you think vertical lift, people automatically think helicopters. But now it's helicopters and much more.
Some of it's just like cool stuff you can fly, but a lot of it is also industry and maybe jobs.
This is where you look at it, jobs are abound here. Are you a pilot? Are you a maintenance technician? Are you an engineer? This innovation behind you with Amazon, an engineer developed it. Then you had technicians who had to put it together, and this thing can fly. So no matter who you are, what you think, this place is for you, and it's a viable industry for young people coming out today.
While we're walking around, can we talk a little bit about VAI's function?
We make sure that the vertical lift industry has a voice, not only on Capitol Hill, but we also look at what are some of the training that we can do to our industry members to keep them flying. Our show Verticon is really, really big on that.
Yeah.
And if you come to Verticon, which will be in Anaheim next year in March, you'll see a lot more of what the industry is all about. That's why VAI, EAA, and Robinson Helicopters came together, because we saw the need to make sure everyone who comes to AirVenture is aware that vertical lift is a part of the aviation tent.
How long have you been in your role, and how much change have you seen in that time?
That's a great question. I've been in the role now for 9 years at VAI. And when I first got on VAI, none of this was in existence. It was conceptual, but it really wasn't really developed yet. We are definitely looking for people to come in and help with this change in our industry, because I tell you, greater things are going to happen as we move forward.
But also, helicopters are still part of the vertical lift world.
They are so much a part of it still. We look at all the other innovations here as additions or aids in the helicopter in doing the mission. But helicopters will be here, and the helicopters will continue to be here.
So this is year number 1 for the Vertical Lift Center. What do we think about the future of vertical lifts at Oshkosh?
I think vertical lift is going to grow at Oshkosh. This is only the beginning. As we start with this, we're going to start including more workforce development, career options. In the future, we're going to have camping available for helicopters. So look forward to the notification of that coming up soon. EAA, Robinson, VAI, we are putting this together, and you're going to see the change that we are dedicated to having here at AirVenture.
Should I take that as an invitation that I should fly my R44 out here and come camping?
Absolutely, bring your R44 out here for camping.
I'm going to take that as
happen.
Okay, I look forward to doing that next year. Hey man, thank you for the time.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Cheers. Do airplanes still dominate Oshkosh? Yeah, they do. But finally, there's a place for helicopter pilots like me to come and feel comfortable. Even more important, if you're a fixed wing fan and you're curious about helicopters, drones, or careers in the rotorcraft world, the Vertical Lift Center welcomes you.